Hello, in this tutorial we will learn about scale command. So scale command is used for if you want to just increase or decrease the size of an object, you can use this scale command. Scale command is in modify panel, or you can just use this shortcut as SC for scale, and you can just hit enter to activate this one, or you will just go here in modify panel and click on this scale option. Okay, this is the icon for scale and it will activate it. Now, here at command line, you can see it is prompting as select the object that you want to scale. So I will select this object as I want to scale this one. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about the base point, and the base point is a point that will fix, that will never change. Okay, so I will just give this point as a base point. Now you can see it is fixed. Okay, and other all points are going to change. Okay, now here at command line you can see specify scale factor. So here you can just give a scale factor. If you want to just increase the size of a object, you can just give a scale factor greater than 1. Okay, for example, I want double this object. Okay, in that case I will just give scale factor of 2. It will multiply by 2. Okay, if you want to just give triple as 3, it will multiply with 3. Okay, and if you want to just decrease this, for example, I want half of this object, in that case I will give scale factor of 0.5. So let's see how to do this. I want to just increase the size, so in this case I will just give 2 and I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is going to change and everything is changed here. Now again I want to activate this one and I will select this one, hit enter, base point, and I will just give scale factor as 0.5. Now it will just decrease this one. Okay, you will see here it is going to decrease. Now let's see another option, that is copy and reference as well. So I will click here to activate this one. I will hit enter and then I will specify the base point, and here you can see here two options. Instead of scale factor you can just give copy as well, and if you want to just create a copy of your object with a specific scale, you can just create that copy as well. So I will just click on this copy option. Now I have to just specify the scale factor as well. So in this case I need 1.5 of scale factor. Okay, now it will increase the size. I will hit enter. Now you will see here it's create a copy with specific scale of 1.5. Let me just move it from here. Okay, up to this point. Now let's see one more option, that is reference. So in that case, if you want to just increase or a decrease of size of a object with specific reference line, in that case, for example, I want to just create a line here. Okay, and a letter. Okay, and I want to just increase up to this level, this line. Okay, so I will just use here a reference option. Let me just check the dimension of this first, then I will give you example 400. Let me just create a line of 500 and I want to just make this size as 500. In that case I will use this reference option and I will give 500. Now I want to just increase the size up to 500. In that case I will just use this reference. Okay, I will just select this object, hit enter. Now I will specify base point. Now again I will go in reference option and I want to give here, you can see in command line it is prompting as specify reference length. So this is the reference that I want to stretch. Okay, now it is asking about again what will be the new length. So instead of 400 I will just give this point. Okay, to make it 500. You will see here the change. Okay, it is going to change with every dimension from this point and this point as well. Okay, now for example let me just delete this one and this line as well. Okay, and for example I want to just increase the size of object same like this. In that case I will just give point option. I will just go here, activate the scale. Again I will hit enter. I will specify this point as a base point and I will go in reference. Now I have to just give a reference length. So this is the reference length. Now I just want to make this as like this. In that case I will just go in point option and I will give this point and this point. Now these two objects will be same right now in dimension. Okay, so this was point option. Hope you understand that how we can just use scale factor, how we can use a copy option. with the specific scale, okay, and how to use reference as well. If we want to just enlarge or decrease the object size with any reference, you can just use reference option as well. We'll see you in the next.